Well, it's Monday, February the 5th, and you see a big nasty chemtrail right over my house. I decided to take all the crystals off my roof for a little while to see what the weather difference is going to be. And looks like we got some nasty chemicals, nasty chemtrails up there. And without my crystals, they're not going to go away. So there's a better pic of it. Normally those would be like gone, but there's the difference, folks. You see that? And you think those are, well, what do people say, condensation trails? Really? Come on, give me a break. Look at that. That's unbelievable. People think, what? That's normal? There's another one there. Look at that. There's another one. There's another one in the background. Ah, there's a fresh one way out there. There's more garbage right there. That shit's not gonna go away. They're gonna build it up so you can make it snow. That's their plan. That's how they do it. They need those chemicals up there. Otherwise, they can't manipulate the weather the way they usually do. See that? That's without my crystals. That's what happens. You don't believe me? Watch some of my other videos. A good one you should watch is Obolix destroying chemtrails. That's a good one. I will try to catch one of these planes spraying their garbage today, so you can see that what happens without my crystals and how they just stay up there. All right, I will sign off now with one of my little friends. This here is I call him the healer, and I use him a lot for meditation and stuff like that. Try to heal my hand. It's all messed up, so helped me a lot. Anyways, this is 2 pounds, I believe 14-ounce Lemurian crystal. Very powerful, very nice. But he's going to be inside, staying warm, away from the cold. He's not going to mess with these chemtrails. What was that? What was that, healer? Oh, he wants to come out. No, you can't. You can't come out. No. You got to stay inside. Let the snow come about. Later.